Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to align bullet point in Google Docs table. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Google Docs app. Then go to the Insert menu, go to the table and insert a table. Now write something on the table. Then select the table and increase the table size. Then go to the bullet point menu and click bullet point. Then again select the table text, go to the align menu and click align drop down menu. Now here we can see here are center align, right align, left align or justify. Now I am click center align. Then click left align and click right align. Now you can choose justify. Now here we can see align bullet point in Google Docs table very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.